you see clubs now Kwame e wo sisi ano eni kwa say ene omo ye ni biara and again Accra so folk but say now say supporters ni mu bi say Kwampoko omo nya no na fa ankosia Kwame you see toda
your mic ni mamina
madam okay Kwame you see toda enoma bi ohonuma wo hwe ne kekawa keka ho na wo yi free mu de djuma ne baby boy Kwame no aye and the course no Kwame House of Folk here Kwampoko
amuhia Kwampoko
yes so we no ho no pe ne a ye hwe ne sesi and House of Folk team here da wo sesi
amuhia Kwampoko
apem so
say Hamza
so mo fa suban ne ade ne nto nche no mo hwe
suban no House of Folk nyina so ne de
oh is that supporters ni
bi no omo nyina so ne de Kwame they don't have a case
sir
Debbie ube kumune nipa be 5 bi
because some supporters
but sa nipa 5 no hwe nipa dodo na enya Kwampoko abewura team Kwame last season o say ma Kotoko
Kwampoko last season o she go
oh yeah o she go I think 4 so Kwampoko chef o she 4 ana a season before last season you know unya 13 goals involvement 13 goals 9 in the league and 4 ewo FA Cup what's the last season I'm about full season no?
Sure
yes so unya 9 no unya 4 FA Cup so 9 plus 4 13 goals ewo I mean in all competition come Hamza is what she say House of Folk best striker has been Maoli Wayo but strikers nankasa ho Aboraduku hoy wa sho ba nankasa kra no omo refi omo say Aboraduku Kwame ho Aboraduku last season she say I think one I said 2
the FA Cup back
yeah it's no strikers we nyina ho now catch them say umpe Kwampoko no Kwame say House of Folk company for ready so more per striker now omo here na service Kwame they should go in for Kwampoko because as we speak there is no striker or crowds of folk Kwame omo here better than Kwampoko I'm telling you and sometimes and you might be say a boy my player no Kwame the performance no cost because now people will say onyade ya pamono ne suban kono kwa permanent fan kosia so do moment be say they try to prove a point sometimes they will try some be prove or more critics no wrong so you just go in for the person Kwame that national team no Kwame boss and our chances are Hamza as content House of Folk no Kwame I'm telling you most of them Kwampoko will bury the ball into the net
Samu
Kwame Kwampoko boy Hamza and as chances Hamza as send House of Folk no majority of them Kwampoko will score that goals until if House of Folk here in service Kwame personally I think that they should go in for him okay so Kwame omo kasa no as we speak striker bang the way league man House of Folk beat me at this point abeshim striker bang as we speak omo susu say they don't need Kwampoko no CCA if they are to go to transfer market no say omo copy striker be House of Folk team Kwame striker bang or ya available House of Folk be nya CCA pa so Kwame sometimes they should put their sentiments they should put and you might be aside now mo sure what the player can offer yes until they need him House of Folk need Kwampoko I'm telling you they need him and again nani atakra din komo say players no do na ya pamu bi ma atakra say omo hwe na rain headache de no enche Kwame no kre Abaka watara se ompere so so obeko ndiro mo a ompere so no coach ni so no okay with sad decision na ho kakra na kaminyanchemu anka beboa for discussion pa because honestly your players ni bo to say coach Bonte Kwame I salary per phone but Kwame it should be
mutual.
mutual.
5 years.
5 years or share 3 5 goals. Into year be or share 1 goal. Meboa now 5 seasons. Now wash 5 goals ah. Secondly every year be or share 1 goal. Until Kwame such a player if you want to get rid of him Kwame I'm in support of that but the right thing must be done. Kwame, you don't just tell the players to go. I had the problem, bro. You should sit down with the player, have discussion with them, and Kwame, if they understand for you to terminate contract, now Kwame, then you mutually must terminate contract. No, no. But for to me say, pamu player no, and I pamu nipa no. Na Kwame e chirebi no, player no afi no oside dem court, report to mo, and I say Kwame Debi. Ebasa the distraction but team ni so. So if they want to offload some of the players or free say omu di juma Kwame, personally I subscribe to that but it should be in the right way.
Mutual.
Yes. Na enya afi na echire bi no yete ho yes player we say has of folk neka ontua yes player we dey has of folk court Debi. They should have discussion with players bia on person free club moko. Because Kwame, they can't continue on to do mistakes now. My year no, I'm out of cover do this point. I think they should wake up. Na omunye nyoma Kwame, ebe mass of folk stay away from trouble because of late and same be about of folk bia nyansema Kwame, eboa ema club no performance ne ekosro. For the past 5 years Kwame, House of Folk has been in the news and news so apart from Benjamin Asare Kwame or this are good news in the House of Folk. House of Folk on free on the BI news no news distraction quiet team. So I think that at this moment now that team no are free no Kwame, they should find a nice way to their dealings. Our club nim na ene omonfa enyowa bi nsa meka ho e ma nsa metwe team ni nsa Kwame. Well, kakra bi on Kotokona na Carlos Queiroz so. Kwame, I believe say Kotoko still are omugu ahoboa so and